Welcome to For Seller channel. How effective product placement is a key step to your store's success. This video will teach you how to migrate your Shopify products and publish them in TikTok and Temu stores. Let's begin by copying to TikTok stores. Go to the home page and click on the Listings module where you will see the moving options. Choose to migrate from Shopify. Here you can see the 3 status of your Shopify products: active, inactive, and remove. For Seller support you to migrate the products of 3 status to other stores. Click More button and choose Import to Shops and Other Shops. Also, you can click the many listings and choose the upper Import to Shops in bulk. Of course, you can choose Copy by Shop to realize copy all of your shop products to others. Choose which stores you want to migrate, product status, and choose which shop you want to publish. Choose Copy to copy your same products or choose Skip to skip same products and click Import. Waiting for the ends of the green progress bar and choose the next, the page will jump into the platform draft page. Here you can also choose your listings to modify it in bulk. After you finish and modify the required fields of your listings, you can click Save or Save and Publish. Wait for the ends of green progress bar. And then the status of these listings has already been publishable, so you can publish them successfully. Now we can change to migrate products and publish them to Temu. Go back into Shopify published page, choose the listings and choose the platform store and click Import. Choose the next, the page will jump into the platform draft page. And also you need to, according to the red signal, to modify the required fields and then click Save. This listings also can be published. And choose More button and choose Publish. Thank you so much for your watching. If you re interested on For Seller, please subscribe us and experience more function about us.